Excuse me? Ma'am? Ma'am? Okay.
¡Mamá!
¡Pues madre, perro! Don't be a bad boy, okay?
Yes, he's not even looking.
Where are you two? You're gonna go in time out if you keep it up. Do you understand me?
No. Go. 5, 4, 3.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought. It's Mama!
Guys, Mommy's coming home.
You are not behaving. So you need to lay down.